Hello BFF, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be entering into the world of blushes, that magical step in your spring makeup routine that adds the perfect amount of rosiness on your cheeks. Whether you are blush beginner or look to enhance your skill, this video is just for you. Let's get started. So firstly, let's understand the blush texture. So blush comes in various formats and texture. So what today we are using is powder and cream. So in this video, we will be doing half side with powder blush and half side with cream. For cream blushes, I am going to use this beauty blender, whereas for the powder, I am going to use the brush. So there are various type of blush techniques. So today we will be teaching you 3 techniques. For fuller, we will be applying on apple of the cheeks. For lifted, will be diagonally, and for sun-kissed effect, the W technique will be there. So I'm using baked blusher and highlighter, taking off the product in my brush, removing excess, and just adding the color in the apple of the cheeks. With this technique, you'll get the fuller cheek. On the other side, I'm using Chiquita blush in shade Showstopper, just adding little color here and blending with beauty blender. So that's how you can achieve a fuller looking cheeks. So the next technique is lifted look, where you need to go diagonally following the outer corner of the eye. Using the same product and following the same blush, dusting off the product and going towards the nose to achieve sun-kissed effect. Doing the same technique on the other side with Chiquita blush. So here you can achieve a sun-kissed look effect with this technique.